Let's say you want to get your car wrapped, but you feel like it's not in the best paint or body condition to be wrapped. You got a little money laying around on the side. Forget what they say. Every car is worthy because it's yours. Get that car wrapped. In this video, our project is a Dodge Avenger. Currently black. Customer want to keep that black theme. So we're gonna hit it with a satin black vinyl wrap. As you see, we've already started removing parts because it's necessary when you're vinyl wrapping a car. Remove anything that's possible because it's gotta be easy for yourself. Now let's focus on the paint. As you see, it's not in its best condition, but that's okay. Because here at New Touch Auto, we make your car look better than it already does. And we all love our cars, man, regardless of what they look like. So we're gonna keep the black theme. Certain areas, we're gonna try to keep it gloss there so we can make it stand out a little more. We don't wanna just sit in like a plain Jane, satin black everything. We can't do that. We make visions come to life. And when you got issues like this on top of the hood and the roof, that's what these benefit. Vinyl wraps and spray wraps, they benefit that. Now we're gonna chrome delete and we're gonna vinyl wrap. So let's go ahead and change the life, man. We gotta give it some more lifespan. Let's go. So that concludes the end of the video. And what I like to do is take you on the tour to show you exactly how we change the image of this car. Let's go. Okay, so we got the Dodge Avenger in here for a new look. Yeah, it's an older model vehicle. Not in the best paint or body condition, but it doesn't matter because every car is worthy of a wrap. It's your car. You do what you want. So it doesn't matter what nobody else says, right? Now here we got the perfect satin black on this vehicle. We didn't just do everything satin black, but we're gonna swing it around and explain everything from there on out. Now in the middle, we got a spray wrap in there. That's on the grill. Everything else is a vinyl wrap. We swing it around, and the difference is the car came in gloss black. So we left out the door handles, the seat pillars in between the glass, the gas cap, and the spoiler. Now you see it gives it a different trifecta look. Not a major difference, but it's a difference. Has a better look to it, more custom. Spoiler, gloss black, and we swing it around. We spray wrap the emblems. They're satin black, and then you go around, everything is pretty much solid. Clean look. A solid, clean look, which is what this customer went for. Now, satin black is a very popular color in these times right now. So when times change, you gotta adapt with change. Then you blend in with the new school. Now, I wanna explain something before I go any further. If you get this idea that you wanna do this to your vehicle, but you have bad paint condition, I suggest you go with the liquid spray wrap versus a vinyl wrap. Because if you don't know how to maneuver with vinyl wraps and know how to prep correctly, you're gonna go through a lot of material, and that material is not cheap. So if you're looking for something simple, go with the spray wrap. You'll get the same look as this vehicle here. Now this here opens up a lot of ideas for this customer because they can do a whole lot more. Tail light tints, gloss black rims, tint their windows, more custom work, more custom ideas that you get when you at least start the process. I want you to tell me what you think though. Even though this color was black when it came in, you think it looks better or you think it should have stayed the same? Leave it in the comments. My subscribers, thank y'all for watching and subscribing. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so and hit that subscribe button. Thank y'all, and I'll see y'all on the next video.